another day of Vlogmas! Guys, I think this is possibly going to be the Christmas vlog, which if you're watching this, you know, it's probably not gonna be the Christmas vlog. I feel like that should be a vlog of its own. Anyway, it is December 23rd. Oh my God, Christmas Eve is literally tomorrow. Tomorrow! That's wild, really wild. I woke up this morning, I'm feeling pretty much still the same level of sick, but I think it's because I took like a Mucinex. I took like a nightly sleep, like cold and flu thing last night. And I think I took it too late because I woke up this morning feeling like just so groggy. Didn't want to get out of bed. Felt like I was still half asleep. So I'm probably gonna take that a lot earlier tonight so I don't feel like that the next morning. But yeah, today I just wanted to start my day off like really quickly because like if I didn't, I would have just slept all day because the medicine was really kicking in that bad. But today I'm just wearing an Aloe Yoga sports bra and then some Nike shorts. I went ahead and made myself some breakfast. So I'm gonna show you guys what I made because this is like a typical breakfast for me. Avocado toast. On it, I put black pepper, turmeric, and paprika. This is vegan yogurt, and I put cinnamon and cacao nibs on it. I have my water. This is a hydro flask. So this holds 37 liters? I don't know. You know, it just holds a lot of water. Ounces, I think that's what it is. Then over here, I'm just making some coffee. I do French press coffee. So yeah, right now in about 2 minutes, I'm gonna push this down. And then I'm going to probably pour myself a cup of hot coffee and then put this in the refrigerator and make iced coffee. Ooh. And yeah. Bone apple tit. I'm actually gonna get my tripod so I can do like a cute shot of me eating my breakfast. Snap that little baby on. Guys, the other night I organized my entire office. It probably doesn't look that organized right now, especially when you go to like this side, but it's so organized. I may give you guys like a little office tour later today. But yeah, I organized it. So all my camera gear is perfectly in this drawer now. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal that I organized my office, but I just feel like your life is more complete when you organize where you work. So yesterday I went to the mall and I got a bunch of new candles. This one isn't new. I don't even really like that one. I'm gonna light a new candle. Which one should we light? Okay, we're gonna do fresh balsam. Get that Christmas spirit flowing. Let the annual candle lighting commence. And now, Mariah Carey with All I Want for Christmas. Now we're ready for breakfast. I just realized it's not December 23rd, it's December 22nd. Okay, it is a little bit later. I've finished my last vlog. I'm uploading it right now. I feel a lot better. Like I'm not as congested and I don't feel as deadly as the past couple days. So I'm actually setting up to film a what is in my camera bag video. I think I'm gonna upload it to the vlog channel. So yeah, I'm about to do that and then I'm gonna go meet my friend David. I went out with him for dinner last night and a couple of our other friends met up with us. We went to Plant Food and Wine, which is the best, I would say one of the best vegan restaurants in LA. So if you're ever in LA and you want vegan food, Plant Food and Wine or Crossroads. David and I are friends, I don't want to say mainly, but basically because our dogs are dating. They're in love, they're just like best friends, they're so cute together. So we're gonna take our dogs to the beach for sunset. So yeah, I'm going to film this video and then I will see you when I'm done. Okay, it is a little bit later. Guys, look at what I'm dealing with right now. Please comment down below if your bedroom has ever gotten to this point because I feel like the lowest point in my life is when my bedroom looks like this. And I just want to know that this is normal, like we're all feeling this. We all have crappy bedrooms sometimes. Oh my God, my butt looks so bad in this angle. Yeah, comment down below if your bedroom looks like this right now, because then we can like bond together. Or if it doesn't look like this right now, does it ever get to this point? Because Lord knows we need him. Anyway, I'm going to meet David in probably like, I should leave in literally like 20 minutes, but I'm trying to decide whether I should like get sort of cute. By the way, it's not a date. David and I are friends. But you know, a girl likes to look cute sometimes, you know? That's all it is. Feeling a little crusty today. So I'm like, do I get cute or do I clean my bedroom? I feel like I should get cute first and then clean with the extra time that I have. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get cute and I'll see you guys once I'm cute. And bam! Okay, so this is my OOTD. I'm wearing a vintage Levi's jacket, and then I'm wearing this really cute sweater from Obey. I'm wearing some shorts that I thrifted, and then some shoes, just some cute little boots. I'm probably gonna take the boots off, obviously, when we go to the beach, but I don't know, I just figured if I do something after, I wanna be prepared. Also, I've made some progress on my room. Okay, so we have the pile. This pile is like stuff that needs to be hung up, so that's gonna be like, it looks wild right now, but like it's gonna be okay. It's all clean clothes. Floor is officially pretty clear. Carry on, I have to unpack. And then I separated my laundry from whites to colors that could potentially bleed all over each other. And then darks. So I'm probably gonna have to clean the rest of my bedroom tomorrow, but I think I'm at a good start. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and just hang up all these clothes. Traveling is the death of me. Like, my closet is pretty clean right now. A little messy, but I mean, it's been worse. And then for my hair, I just put it in a little half up, half down situation. I left the curls that are in from yesterday. I love this hairstyle. And yeah, I just did my makeup, just pretty normal. I just did like an eyebrow and I did a little more eyeshadow than usual. But yeah, this is my look. Okay, obviously Hanalei wants to go, so I'm gonna drive to David's house. Let's go.
How do you say meet you in the long run? Something good about love. We're away next to me. Found you by the oak tree.
Oh my god.
Something we can both see. We're away. So let's rock away down from where we are going. Let's go hard today. It's all gonna be wonderful.
She's gonna drop to the ground.
Oh